He is opening the wooden door. He is opening the wooden door. She is tying her hair neatly. She is tying her hair neatly. He is fixing the broken chair. He is fixing the broken chair. She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. He is climbing up the ladder. He is climbing up the ladder. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. He is feeding the small cat. He is feeding the small cat. She is cooking food in kitchen. She is cooking food in kitchen. He is cleaning the window glass. He is cleaning the window glass. She is planting flowers in pots. She is planting flowers in pots. He is carrying a heavy bag. He is carrying a heavy bag. She is folding clean clothes. She is folding clean clothes. He is watering green plants. He is watering green plants. She is brushing her long hair. She is brushing her long hair. She is setting the dinner table. She is setting the dinner table. He is closing the big gate. He is closing the big gate. She is picking fresh apples. She is picking fresh apples. He is riding a fast bicycle. He is riding a fast bicycle. She is packing her school bag. She is packing her school bag. He is opening his lunchbox. He is opening his lunchbox. She is looking at the mirror. She is looking at the mirror. He is cutting vegetables carefully. He is cutting vegetables carefully. He is jumping over a rope. He is jumping over a rope. He is writing in his notebook. He is writing in his notebook. She is listening to music quietly. She is listening to music quietly. He is waiting for the bus. He is waiting for the bus.